What's going on, everybody, and welcome to our brand new video on this channel. This is the third week of the funded series. We're currently in some NASDAQ buys off of this 13 break here. Doesn't look like it's going in our favor, but we'll definitely see what happens. Risking around $210. Oh, well, we just got hit, so it is what it is. We'll wait for another break to occur before we re-enter another position, but I will see you guys soon. Okay, guys, we're back in some NASDAQ sells again. Going off of the 13 break. Honestly, just looking for lows to be taken out. We have about 2 contracts in this. I'm looking to basically close around down here with these lows, but we will see what happens. Market opens in about 10 minutes, so this is my final trade. Like, if this hits stop loss, it's gonna block me out, and I'm gonna come back some other day and trade. So far, it just doesn't look like it. It's just been bouncing around here, so I'm hoping we can push on down. It's a bit scary, but we will see what happens. I'll bring you guys back with an update. Okay, guys, we might get hit break even here. Do we get hit break even? Yep. Hey, I'm fine with that. I didn't lose any more money. Although I'm a bit sad because I wanted this to come on down here. Honestly, we still got another trade in the tank since we hit break even there. We'll wait for market open to give us some sort of opportunity. If nothing presents itself, then I'm gonna call it a day, and we'll take our $296 hit. Now, this did hit my account with the $3,000 balance in it, so I think I should have just pulled the money out instead of messing around, but it is what it is. We will come back and see if there's another trade opportunity. If not, I will probably call it a day and withdraw that 50% so that I can take that home. I will bring you guys back. Okay, guys, we're in some aggressive NASDAQ buys here. We had a huge sell-off that, regardless of if we were taken out at a break even or stop loss, it would have still taken us out at the stop loss mark, because our stop loss would have been up here somewhere, and you can see that it took out liquidity above. I entered on some aggressive buys to the upside, but doesn't look like it's going into our favor here. We might actually get stopped out pretty soon from our daily yep. Oh no. Well, it is what it is. Damn, I thought NASDAQ would have had it in the bag there, you know, get the aggressive entry, get the pop to the sky, but damn, it is what it is. It's good that we got stopped out for the day. Every time, like, today's just not been my day, if I'm being honest. Like, as soon as I started recording, 2 seconds later, stop loss got hit. And then as soon as I start recording now, 2 seconds later, stop loss gets hit. It is what it is. On the Express funded account, we're sitting at 2.6K here. On the 50K account, the other Express funded account, we're down 1%. And the other 50K trading combine that I started, we're also down. Well, we're down about 1% on here. So I will bring you guys back on Thursday because I don't trade Wednesday. But yeah, this kind of stings, I'm not gonna lie. It is what it is. We will come back stronger on Wednesday and trade the account. I mean Thursday, and trade the account. I'll see you guys all Thursday. Good morning, everyone. We are currently in some NASDAQ buys to the upside, looking to hit TP around the up here. Stop loss, of course, below the candle that I entered on. I'm like kind of 50-50 on this trade, I'm not gonna lie. It's been bouncing around, consolidating. If we head on over to like a higher time frame, maybe like the 1 hour here, it does look like it's kind of short-term bearish within this trend. So we could have some sort of continuation to the downside. We might end up closing it depending on how this trade goes, because then this could just push on further down to the downside before we continue going up. But so far, it's just been like bouncing around here. So we will see what happens. If we can close above the VWAP, I will be happy. Doesn't look like it though. I might even shorten down my risk to like $178 here. If we close above the VWAP, we are good. We are set. So I will bring you guys back when something does happen. I'll be right back. All right, guys, quick update to the trade. I'm out. I got out. Oh, wow. Wow. It had a little sort of bounce over here, and I'm like, oh, this could continue going down. So let me just get out and wait till market open to see what the trade setup could be. Currently down $15. No, yeah, $15. It was struggling to break above the VWAP. I'm like, instead of taking this sort of B plus setup, I might as well wait for an A plus setup to occur, which basically means I just have to wait for some sort of trend to the upside. So like This is currently setting up to the upside, and then a sort of reversal back to the downside, and I will catch that reversal back to the downside. I don't know, like I said from the beginning, I was a bit iffy on the trade, so I just ended up closing my position so that I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna wait for another setup to occur, and then we'll go from there. So I'll just wait till market open, which is in 5 minutes, and then I normally give it another 10 minutes for market to kind of decide what it wants to do, and then I will enter another position. So I'll bring you guys back when I do enter a position. All right, guys, we are currently in another NASDAQ buy trade. I quickly tried to enter in another trade and it like fully went to stop loss, and because of slippage, it took me out at like $600 loss. So we're just gonna wait to see what happens with this trade. Not looking for much, just looking to kind of get our 600 bucks back. I might even move stops tighter around here. Yeah, like as soon as I entered the position, it flipped on me and like it slipped me out of my position. So like it went further than what my stop loss was, and I completely just like lost like 600 bucks just like that. Let's see if NASDAQ can pull through with this one. Yeah, there's nothing else really going on, so I'm hoping it can pull through with this one. Bounce, continuation. Oh wow, this thing's coming back to break even. Wow. It took me out. Goddamn. That is crazy. Okay, well, we'll see if we can catch another setup, maybe to the upside again. If not, I'm gonna call it a day. All right, guys, we're back in some NASDAQ buys again. We're gonna give this one more chance. I put my stops just below here. We're looking for the highs to be broken up here, basically. And all honesty, I'm trying to get to see if NASDAQ will go up to the $1,500 mark over here. But yeah, we will see what happens. Today has not been my day. Like I might even reduce risk a bit more here. I'm down like 2%. Currently. Oh wow, that's a strong rejection candle. This is my final trade. Like I can't trade anymore after this. Like I have to take it slow to bring the account balance back up. I also have to go and do something real quick, so I will let this trade run, and I'm probably not going to bring you guys back for an update. I might just post a screenshot or something, but I will let you guys know with a screenshot on what happened, maybe a little voiceover as well. So I will see you guys all next week. Fingers crossed that we hit a TP on this trade. So I'll see you guys all next week. All right, guys, I lied. The trade didn't hit TP, but I ended up closing it basically at break even. And I'm so happy because we were down like 900 bucks on this trade. And as soon as I saw a little bit of a bounce, I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me secure my profits here. Even though the trade is currently heading towards TP, there would have been like a huge, drawback right over here. Oh, this would have hit. Oh my God, look at this push off of NASDAQ. Jesus Christ. Yeah, TP would have been smashed by now. Yep, TP would have been smashed. It is what it is. I'm beyond happy we're sort of back at break even here on this challenge. Well, not break even. Technically, we're around like $3,182. We lost on Tuesday. We technically broke even today. This week has not been it. It has not been it. In terms of the other accounts, my other express funded account hit its PDLL at $461. So we're down about another 1% over there. Our maximum loss limit is negative 1987. So we're still like $1,000 away from blowing this account. Our combine here is at 49, basically break even as well, because I have these all copy traded to one another. So we're just sitting break even for the day. I'm happy with that. It gives me a secondary chance to come back next week in the markets level headed. I went ahead and already, locked myself out from trading, so I'm not trading anymore. So I will see you guys all next week. This has been a stressful day. It has been a stressful week, and I am super, super, super happy about this trade. Yeah, I'm blessed. Okay, I'll see you guys all next week. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.